Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And this is more of a demonstration on how not to use the AI, okay? The AI, or Holly, as we nicknamed her, gave us HUT, and the alert was at 1272, all right? So there was the candle in which the alert happened, and it went almost straight up to 1314. It did get up to 1319. There was a bottoming tail there, so that would have caused a little bit of concern. But what I'm trying to demonstrate, though, is that we had the alert at 1272. It got up here. The AI in auto mode did not get out of the trade until where it took the trade at 1272. If you're a trader, you cannot let that happen, right? This is why we're always saying the AI is a great tool. If you want to use the analogy, it's man and machine. The machine is letting you know without your having to do anything about an alert, but then the man, woman should manage the trade on their own, as opposed to letting a machine say, you know what, I'm going to let this thing that hit 1319 come all the way back down to where I bought it before I got out of the trade. Okay, so this is it's a constant question I get. Like, how do you use the AI? Well, again, we think the best way, if you want to, the machine is alerting you to the opportunity, and then you manage the trade. And you would never, ever, if you were a true trader, you would never let this happen. Now, this could turn around, this could turn around, and if this gets up over 13 again, at this point, this will be another all-time high. So this could be one that you might want to stick an alert, a price alert, at that high right up here, around 13.18. See if it takes it out. May not do it today, maybe tomorrow, may never do it. But if it does, this could turn into an excellent swing type of a trade because there's no resistance. It's an all-time high. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room. And now there will be a promo code in the email you're getting for 25% off. Okay, so 25% off the first month only. But if you do take out a standard subscription, say that first month, and you decide that you want to upgrade to, say, an annual subscription, and you do it within 30 days, we'll honor the 25%. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.